So just taking a quick look at Ethereum then on our daily time frame for another daily update on the channel. As we can see, looking really good right now, and my inverted fair value gap trade that I took, is this a 4-hour fair value gap that I took down here, is working out to perfection so far. You can see basically my strategy is I'm looking for accumulation, manipulation below to sweep liquidity, and then a distribution back up. So far it's playing out to absolute perfection. You can see we've got our clear level of liquidity here, tapping back into the previous area of support that we were in as well. We've come down, swept liquidity. We've got this huge fair value gap here, which is probably like a big daily fair value gap where we can bounce out of as well. Loads of people loading up on long orders in this area, and you can see this coincided really nicely with Bitcoin also deciding to be super bullish this week and ripping through all these resistances. You can see Ethereum here looking like it basically came down, completed its sell model, and then turned into a buy model. Once I saw us coming up like this and then inverting this fair value gap with this big green candle, this was a big light bulb moment for me that we were going to continue up. You can see it's quite clearly here. Obviously this is your entry here. We came down, back tested somewhat, if I can get my tool right. Come down, back tested somewhat into this fair value gap here. Come up and tested this big 4-hour gap that we ran into. Obviously had a bit of resistance here, but then clearly yesterday, with Bitcoin looking as bullish as it was, I thought it was pretty likely that we were going to continue up. Bitcoin having a huge move this week. And then you can see altcoins finally starting to wake up. You can see on the 4-hour here for Ethereum, huge big green candle to the upside, and then you can see we've ground our way through this resistance trend line, which is a pretty interesting one as well. As I said, we've got this final daily gap that needs to be inverted, but it's looking like we're getting towards the top of this now. I think if this gets inverted here, then this is very clearly going to go back to the highs. We've got clear and obvious liquidity up here to be targeting. With everyone getting so bearish, I bet people were piling into shorts when they saw Bitcoin dropping as much as it did last week. But looking like we're basically V-shaping out of this and getting that accumulation, manipulation, and then that distribution up towards the all-time high again. So overall Ethereum here, in my opinion, looking bullish, looking very, very good. And I don't see why, to be honest, this wouldn't just come up and continue back to these highs. I think this is looking very, very nice indeed. And right now, Ethereum is just looking like, especially with Bitcoin looking as bullish as it is, that it's just going to be heading back up to the highs. As always, guys, thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.